ClubExpress, print letters, printing virtual membership cards. The print letters function allows administrators to generate printable documents for physical mailings of membership renewal notices and new member letters. It also allows us to print copies of our members' virtual membership cards. In this video, we'll review how to print virtual membership cards for our members. Virtual membership cards are an add-on feature. If you'd like to have this feature enabled for your organization, please contact ClubExpress support for more information. To get started, head to the Control Panel's People tab and select the Print Letters function. Click on the Print Membership Cards button and then the Create Print Batch button. We give our batch a unique name, like Cards for New Members, December 2025. Select which membership types the batch should apply to. In most cases, organizations have one type of membership card for all members, and we can select all member types. Select which members we're printing cards for. We can print cards for members that recently joined from within the last 7 days up to the last 90 days. We can manually specify a join date range, or we can manually select one or more individual members from our database, regardless of their join date. In this example, let's target all members that joined in December 2025. If we've recently exported another batch of membership cards, we have the option to exclude any members that have been included in a previous batch of cards by checking the box. We can select the file format we want to export the batch as. PDF is the best option for printing the cards. CSV and Word format should only be used if the information needs to be manually manipulated after the batch is created. If our organization has multiple membership card designs, like a different card for each membership type, we can select which card should be used for this print batch. Finally, we can choose to additionally generate an Avery printer-compatible mailing label document to print mailing label stickers in the Avery 5160 format. When we're happy with our batch's settings, we can click the Save and Process button to begin generating our membership cards. This process may take up to 10 minutes depending on the number of members included in the batch. Once the process is complete, we can choose the Print Actions button to download our documents for printing. Additionally, if any member from a previous batch needs a membership card reprinted for any reason, we can select the Members button to look at and print membership cards for individual members. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.